Hey everyone, let's explore how our multi-level affiliate program works and what makes it so unique. Let's start with the main features. First, our program has 3 levels of affiliates that are under you. This lets you earn money from different levels in your network by sharing your affiliate link. Plus, you'll earn commissions for life. Once someone is in your network, you'll keep earning from their purchases without needing to reshare your link with them. There's no investment or purchase required to join. All you need to do is sign up, get your link, and start sharing. This isn't a multi-level marketing program or pyramid or Ponzi scheme. It's a simple affiliate program. You'll also have access to an affiliate dashboard where you can track your network, see your earnings, explore a rich media library, review branding guidelines, and much more, all in one place. Now let's talk about how the structure works. Imagine you're at the top of your affiliate network at level 0. There are 3 levels below you. Level 1 are your direct sales, basically people who buy through your affiliate link. Here you will earn 10% commission on their purchases. Level 2 affiliates are people who join and buy using the affiliate links of your level 1 affiliates. These are indirect sales for you, and you'll earn a 5% commission from their purchases. Level 3 affiliates are people who join using the affiliate links of your level 2 affiliates. These are also indirect sales, and you'll earn a 3% commission from their purchases. Let's go over an example to make it clear. Imagine you are a content creator named Maria, and you post your affiliate content on your socials. You are at level 0, the top of your network. You are the foundation. When you share your affiliate link, someone named Laura uses it to join and make a purchase. Right away, you earn a 10% commission from Laura's purchase, and she becomes a level 1 affiliate in your network for life. You don't have to keep sending her your link. Whenever Laura makes another purchase, next week, next month, or even 3 months later, you'll automatically earn your commission from all her sales. Laura can also invite others. Let's say she invites someone named Elena, who joins at level 2 and makes a purchase. Because Elena joined through Laura, she's part of your network too. You'll earn a 5% commission on Elena's purchases, even though you never sent her your link. And just like Laura, you'll keep earning from Elena's purchases for life. Elena can keep building the network too. When she invites David, he joins at level 3. When David makes a purchase, everyone benefits. Elena, Laura, and you all earn commissions. You as Maria at level 0 earn a 3% commission, Laura at level 1 earns 5%, and Elena at level 2 earns a 10% commission. There's no limit to how many people can join your network. It could be just a few or even hundreds or thousands. Sky is the limit. The more you share your link and build your network, the more you can earn. Remember, once someone joins your network at any level, you'll earn commissions for life on their sales. The network stays connected, and your commissions keep coming in. Let's talk about payments. We process payouts twice a month, once at the beginning and once in the middle of the month. Each payout is sent on the first banking day of that week, ensuring timely and predictable payments. Your earnings are based on the purchases made within your network. To ensure everything is accurate, commissions are paid 30 days after an order is marked as delivered or completed. This buffer allows us to account for any returns, cancellations, or adjustments. There's no minimum payout requirement. We'll send your earnings as long as the payout fees are covered. Currently, we support payouts via PayPal, Wise, Payoneer, and Venmo. To help you see your potential earnings, we've built a multi-level affiliate calculator. In the next video, I'll show you how to use it and see how much you could earn. So, are you ready to get started? Just sign up, join our growing network, and take that first step today. Share your affiliate link and watch your success grow.